Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna briefly show you guys the 57 I bought from Renault, and I have already sorted bolts and nuts, whatever came with the car. Huge amount of loose stuff. So I'm gonna show you quick tour what the car looks like. Okay, and here it is. I must say I'm very pleased with the overall condition of the car. There's minor sheet metal work to be done. The driver's door, as you can see, it's banged up quite a bit, and it's from another car. It has trim holes. It goes like that, so it's from another vehicle. But overall condition of the car is quite good. Then there's these. I have already marked where to cut and weld. The panel alignment in these are, well, quite awful. I'm gonna gap those so that they're even on every gap that there is. And there also hood won't go closed because it's attached into the fender. And also here, not so bad as the driver's side, but needs some trimming. Here have to bend the door a little bit by the hinges, not a big deal. And there's the front seat, and this is for sale. It's in really good condition otherwise, but you have to upholster the seat. And I'm gonna show you here. It has quite straight sheet metal, so not so much to work with those. Trunk is in really good condition. It has even the original soundproofing in there, so this is original trunk, and everything here is solid, so no welding required in here, just surface rust, nothing major. And then we have the bumper brackets, etc. in here, just to keep them away from the floor. And this side also very straight. Just gonna have to make the skin for this driver's side door. And then there's these rims I'm gonna sell if someone's need for those. There's 15-inch rear wheels. These tires are garbage, so they have been without air so long that there's no use for those. And I might say I got really lucky with this car because of the overall condition. It's really good shape. And then I have the inner fenders in there, and also the electrics came with the car. And I'm gonna show you guys the motor. It's for sale. It's the original engine, and not too bad looking. I think it might actually work okay. There's new motor mounts and so on. Looks quite neat. And of course with the engine comes the accessories. I have the power steering system in here also. Comes with the engine. And everything in the engine bay also in really good condition. They have blocked the heater panel system already, but I'm not gonna keep that. I'm gonna cut it out and make the firewall more smoother than that. And everything is sandblasted, so quite nice and easy to start working with this car. Original hood in really good condition, just surface rust, but that's quite easy to sand off. And that's about it. And also I get the chrome stuff, gauges, etc. with the car. They are all here, so not so much missing parts. Thank you very much. Hi guys, I managed to separate the body from the chassis. As you can see, quite easy. I have stuff laying around everywhere, so gonna have to start building this up. The underneath of the car is in really good shape. There's few holes and I need to do patches there, and also in the front corner and then in the back there, but those are the only rust holes in this car, so this is in really good condition. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today was a welding day. I welded the 3 patches to the rocker panels. One was in the front of the car and 2 was in the rear, so I'm gonna show you just quickly what they look like now. And this was the middle one, which was the largest patch, about 4 inches or so. I don't know if the camera will show it or not, but I smoothed it out quite well. And there's the front one over there. That was really difficult to get any kind of grinder in there. And the last one was this. And as you can see, I was prepared for quite a lot more patch panel work. So that's the only bits and pieces I cut it out from this sheet metal. So well, I'm gonna smoothen out the firewall so it's gonna be used in there. So that's the stock firewall, and I'm not liking how this looks, so I'm gonna cut almost everything out. Well, I'm gonna leave the steering system and brake booster system there, but that's gonna have to leave, and also this whole area is gonna be cut out and smoothened. And that's about what I did today. So this is the spare tire spot, and it's spot welded in. I have already drilled out everything and smoothened and sanded these down. But now I'm thinking, I made this template in here, but now I think I'm gonna use this area to make a battery tray in here. So when you have the trunk upholstery in here, you can't see the battery anywhere. I think that's gonna be quite cool system, and also makes gonna have more room in there. There comes the air compressor and the tank, so that's gonna be quite neat. Huge mess. All sorts of tools to take the spare tire mount out. And if someone needs that, it's intact, no rust holes whatsoever. I'm gonna sell it, so if yours rusted out, that's gonna be quite cheap. Hi guys, it's been really long day, and I have been working the battery tray for my car, and it's 8 p.m. 8 o'clock in the evening, and I'm gonna get something to eat and then to bed. But this is how the tray looks now. As you can see, it's still work in progress, but that's how it's gonna look when it's finished. I'm not sure that I'm gonna do a door in here. The battery will be about 3 centimeters lower than this, so I could build a folding door in there, so it would be safer for the battery. I'm also gonna put the battery wires through here so that I can slit the battery here without problems. So that's it for now. So here's the wheel up, and I have already marked it all the way, and I'm gonna cut it there. And I have had to remove this bracket. It was like this. There were spot welds over there, and I had to cut it out entirely in there and spot welds in here. So I'm gonna use this in here. So, and that side is waiting to me to drill out the spot welds, but now I'm gonna start grinding this out. Okay, I have grinded out the inner fender. This is gonna be 1/2 of the mini tub. I have also cleaned these up so I can weld those in. And this is what the wheel housing looks now. I'm gonna get some clips so I can hold it in place when I do the welding. And there's gonna be about 6 centimeters sheet metal in between those. So whole lot of welding to make this whole again. That's not even started, but I've been grinding this like almost 3 hours, and now I'm gonna go and buy some connectors to hold the mini tub in place. So I have cut out the original tub, and as you can see I removed about 7 centimeters of sheet metal in here, and then I welded it back together in here, and it's all welded up now. And now I'm starting to make the patch panel in there, so that's gonna be the next step. It's going quite neat. I've been doing this from 9 a.m. and now it's 2:30 p.m. so about 5-6 hours or so. So I think I'm gonna make this side all ready and then start the other side so the floor pan won't wobble so much and go in misshape. So doing the patch panel next. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. As you can see, a little bit grinding and welding today, and I've started the driver's side mini tub and already cut it out and made the floor cut also, and I just finished welding the original one back in, and I'm gonna show you guys what does it look like now. So here's the work in progress. I have finished welding this almost entirely into the floor, and there's the other one that I finished today. And now it's time to take a break and let the welds cool down, etc., and get something to eat. But it should be quite easy to finish this side also. There was little holes when I took the metal piece off. It was from the hinge support that was spot welded in. I didn't take that one out. I think I'm gonna weld sheet metal between those so it can stay there or not. I'm not sure. I might drill it out later. Well, that's about it. Hi guys, the wheel tops are now done. Gonna have to make few little patches in front of the mini tops, both sides, the rear and the front end. I'm gonna show you what they look like. Little more grinding to do, but they are in place. So here they are. This is the driver's side. As you can see, have to grind it a little more, but that's the, and this is the right side. I'm gonna show you quickly what they look like inside. Sorry about the mess. Next is the little patches in there, and as you can see in there, and also same spots in the rear. And then there's those holes, but I have to do them underneath the car. I can't get there with here. So, and that side also the same thing. But the main work is done. The seat braces, those I'm gonna also weld in place. And that's about it. Now I'm gonna get to work for 12 hours work days ahead, and then this project continues. Bye.